David Haig from Creative Content. In CC News today, here are all the major stories from this week. There's been a number of camera releases and upgrades from 3 of the major manufacturers. Canon has announced its new EOS C400, Panasonic the Lumix GH7, and Sony 2 firmware updates to the Piranha cinema camera. With the EOS C400, Canon says it is responding to the needs of the market. Designed with versatility in mind, the EOS C400 offers an all-in-one solution tailored to support a vast range of different productions, from indie cinema and documentary and live and virtual broadcasts to the electronic news gathering area. Simultaneously, there is also a brand new servo lens available with either an RF or PL mount, and it's said to be an evolution of the CN7 lens, but with improved updates designed to bolster operational performance and extend compatibility with virtual and VFX workflows. The Canon EOS C400 is priced at $13,500 for the body only and is due to be available in September. The CN7 servo lens is $38,500 for both the RF and PL mount versions. Panasonic says the new Lumix GH7 delivers outstanding video performance, wide dynamic range using a newly developed 25.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, and improved autofocus performance with the inclusion of an on-sensor phase detection autofocus. Also in the GH7 is Apple ProRes RAW and an option for an Arri Log C3 profile. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 will be available from July for $3,899. An initial Sony Piranha update version 1.1, due for release in late June of this year, includes new features for live event production and the addition of a 1.5 times desqueeze display for anamorphic lenses. It will also add S700 protocol over Ethernet, which enables remote control of a Piranha using a remote control panel and controllable settings including exposure, white balance, paint, and others. Additionally, version 1.1 enables support for multi-matrix area indication. Sony plans a further 2.0 update in March of next year, and both upgrades will be available free of charge. In software news, Germany's Maxon, which makes products suitable for creating 2D and 3D design, motion graphics and visual effects, including Cinema 4D and Red Giant products, has announced Maxon Studio. A new After Effects template engine and interface for Red Giant and Maxon One subscribers, Maxon Studio harnesses the capabilities of over 130 Red Giant tools so that visual creators of all types and skill levels can create standout videos with the click of a button. More details and examples are available from the Maxon website. In other graphics news, Techsmith, which counts Snagit screen grabbing software and the Camtasia video editing package in its stable, has announced all future major releases, starting with Snagit 2025 and Camtasia 2025, will only be offered in an annual subscription model. An FAQ has been made available on the Techsmith website to answer any questions. Even with the threat of being banned in the US, DJI has announced updates to the Avata 2 drone, including more cinematography options, improvements to its controllers, and more flexibility for the light-cut editing software. And finally, for users of Blackmagic ATEM switches, there is a major update to version 9.5 that can be downloaded for free from the Blackmagic Design website. For more details including full technical specs on all 3 cameras, more information on Maxon Studio, and further advice on the Techsmith and DJI announcements, visit the Creative Content website at the address below, and subscribe to receive regular news updates, advice of new tutorials, product reviews, interviews, case studies, and more. Please subscribe and add a like to this channel to get notifications of more CC news. I'm David from Creative Content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye. Oh, one more thing. If you use a GoPro or other action type camera, I think you'll like my free 60-page e-magazine. You can download it from my website at www.creativecontent.au and select the option in the menu bar.